What's going on YouTube? This your boy G-So Creator back with another video. We're on our way to Anderson right now, heading up here to my boys. So we're gonna go ahead and change it up today. I'm going with a camo, like I said in the previous video. We're gonna do a camo red, white, black, and blue. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put that thing together. Almost down here in Anderson, man. Don't really take long to get down here, probably like 15, 20 minutes. So just got on the phone, my boy said he got some different colors, so we're gonna go down there and see what he's talking about. So now we're on our way back to the house. It did take quite a while up there. It took about an hour or so because the line was so long. But once I get back, we're gonna go ahead and cut out this camo for the XMOTOS, and then I'm gonna do a time lapse of me putting it on the XMOTOS. So stay tuned for that. I just made it back from Anderson Jack-A-Lot, you know what I'm saying? Just left Sticky Graphics. I've been dealing with them about 14 years now. So you can imagine the money I spent getting stuff done. Also on the Hot Wheels, I got a Hot Wheels that they put together for me. But right now I got that in the shop because I'm getting that racetrack ready. So later on in the future, y'all will see some racing videos. I will be doing burnouts in the Hot Wheels. I will show y'all how it became a Hot Wheel car. So I got a lot of content coming, man. That's why I say go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Go ahead and hit that like button. Put it in the chokehold, bro. Do whatever you got to do. Just go ahead and subscribe to G-So Creator because we finna make things pop this summer, bro. I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and cut out my camo that on the layout that I'm going to do for this. And I'm going to do a time lapse of me cutting it out. Those who might want to learn how to, you know, design a camo for their dirt bike, I got, I'll go ahead and give you a little tutorial on that inside the video. So, yeah, this is the vinyl that I got. Got the blue, black, and red. Now, you probably notice I don't have much black, and that's because I used a lot of it on my Rancher to do the camo on the Rancher. But this is all I need for the dirt bike because this is not going to show a lot. I'm just going to cut out a good little bit of specs of it to kind of complement everything and space everything out because I ain't going to be able to get but so much on there anyway. But, yeah, so we finna go ahead and get into the video of carving this out to make it actually look like a camo before I actually even put it on a dirt bike. So yeah, now before I go to start to do my camo, what I did was I had to go to Harbor Freight. So I went to Harbor Freight and picked up one of these hobby knives, you know, with the 5-point blades on it. It literally says it, hobby knife with the 5-point blades. But anyway, this is the best thing to use when you're gonna go ahead and try to, you know, as far as cutting and being precise with your camo. Because you know, you need that sharp point for when you want to get around little edges and stuff like that. Deck the whole thing out, you need a knife like this. You don't want to use no regular razor blade, you know what I'm saying? Because 9 times out of 10, you probably gonna cut yourself. But this precision pen right here, you can get everything done. You ain't gotta worry about nothing doling out on you. Like I said, got it at Harbor Freight for about $5. It's worth it. So yeah, just want to throw that in there. Now let's get it. Y'all, first thing first, before you start cutting anything, what you want to do is go ahead and get you some gloves. You know what I'm saying? You want to go ahead and throw them gloves on. I put gloves on for 2 reasons. For one, if you get stuck, it won't hurt as bad. For 2, to me, it just grips better. You know what I'm saying? I know that sounds crazy, but I just like wearing gloves when I do stuff like this. So, like I say, you got the 5-point pin right there, the blade. I don't know if y'all can see that, yeah. So, now, when you're going to start off doing some camo, you don't want to start off with one big old sheet at one time. What you need to do is get your little sheet off, cut it. Now look, don't go grab your mama's, grandpa's golf cart and use it for a cutting table. But I got something up under here And really, it don't really matter if I cut this up because this golf cart is for like a workhorse anyway. So it really don't even matter. But don't go grab a golf cart and do this. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and cut this slit off right here. We're gonna cut this off. We'll get that cut off. That way, we'll have a better way to work on it. And yeah, so now that you got your piece right here, you got your little piece right here, what you want to do, you know that your XMOTOS and any other dirt bike, you know that the fender flares and everything is mostly long. Everything is long instead of wide. So you're going to have to take the mouth of that and use it to the best of your knowledge on making your camo. So you don't want oversized camo on a thin fender. You know what I'm saying? It's just going to throw the whole overall look off. So what we're going to have to do is scale this stuff down to a perspective. So now if you notice, now the wrap that I got, it has white around the edges, which is good because that's gonna help me out with designing this when it's coming over the black. So if it do be too much color in it, the white will become a negative to a lot of the overlap colors, if that make any sense. But anyway, we're gonna start this camo cut. So what I want to do, I want something like you can do a bubble camo, you can do a square camo to make it look like a digital camo, but it will take that's a lot of work to try to make your camo look digital. And I can do a digital look camo, but it just take, man, it will take 3 hours a video for me to show y'all how to do a digital camo. Anyway, so what you want to do, you want to cut your little design out. You don't want no square. Try not to cut a square like an edge shape, because that throws it off. You just want to kind of be creative with it. Just go around and make you all kind of little lines in it. I'm gonna show y'all something in a few minutes. Show you what I'm talking about. Okay, we'll go ahead and take this out. We'll go ahead and peel this out right here. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. So I got one piece I already cut. So this right here, that's the first camo piece that I'm gonna put on here. But just to kind of give y'all guys an idea on it. Let's say I just put it right here somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Just randomize. You need that size right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut some more out and put y'all on a time lapse because it will take forever to cut all this stuff out off real time. So let's get it. All right, y'all, I got my pattern cut out for the blue. Do my camo, the designs right there that I'm gonna put on now. So just so I don't bore y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and it's pretty much self-explanatory. Just cut your shapes out, go with the red, do the same thing, then whatever other color you wanna go with. You don't necessarily have to go this color, but this is the color I chose for my XMOTOS, but I'm just showing y'all, you know what I'm saying, a few tips and tricks on how you can create your own camo, do your own little style thing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna go ahead and get these cut out, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all in the video once I get everything cut out, and then we'll go ahead and start the layout process. Let's get it. Okay, y'all, so that's gonna wrap it up for today. I still gonna get back on the rims. I haven't done the rims yet. I'm gonna probably put that in another video because that's actually a longer process than what it took me to do this right here. So I did go with what I said I was gonna do with the camo, black, red, white, and blue. I think it looked pretty funky. What y'all think? You know what I'm saying? I ain't through yet. Still got a little bit more to do. Like I said, I ain't gonna do no overkill, so I don't want no overkill on here, but I think everything looked pretty nice. Like I said, also you got that blue stripe that's already in there, so the blue right there complements the blue that's in here. It's literally the same color. I think they did brighten it up a little bit, made it look a little more outstanding. You know what I'm saying? It don't look, if you pull up beside some more dirt bikes, yours gonna stand out because it's not the same. Stuff like this, you can do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? Get you a carving knife, man. Get you some vinyl and just make your own shapes. You'll be surprised how it turns out at the end. And then it's something unique. It's something you say you done. You didn't pay nobody to do it because you did it yourself. Now don't get me wrong, I could have easily went and spent money and got this thing tricked out, but personally I don't care to do all that. I'm very creative with doing a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? So that's where my name came from. I had a Yukon, it was an older Yukon, but I did a camo wrap on it. But not knowing that eventually I was gonna end up doing a lot of cars like that. So I did make a lot of money off doing camo wrap on people's vehicles, but I eventually got back out of it and started working with little minor stuff. I don't mind people commenting in my comment section. If you got a XMOTOS or XB80 or anything, it ain't even got to be a Chinese bike. It can be a Honda CRF 250, you know what I'm saying? Jump in the comments, let me know what you think. You know what I'm saying? We all in this together, bro. Ain't no hater, this a hater-free zone. Hater-free zone. But I appreciate y'all for watching. And thank you for subscribing and liking the video. It means a whole lot to the channel. So, till then, signing out. I'll be hitting y'all back with another video soon. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that. Thank y'all.